In 2023, manufacturing contributed 13% of UAE's GDP, and the number is growing. Poppies Automation Middle East, which started their operations before 2 years, is playing a major role in this journey of UAE's manufacturing. We are at the 21st edition of SteelFab, and we are going to have with us Ramanan KKV, the CEO of Poppies Automation Middle East, to talk about how they are empowering the Middle East market as well as what they have exhibited here.
Here we are displayed CNC VMC. This machine is like from US Wheeler, one of the top selling machines from China. And this system is with Fanuc system, where all the control systems are all from Fanuc, from Japan. And this has got a fourth axis system where 3+1 is there. Automatic tooling systems are there with a 24 tool ATC. Next, we'll go to the next one. We have our CNC turning center. This is actually a turn mill center basically from US Wheeler. And this machine has got 12-inch chuck with a milling option in it, as well as with Fanuc controls from Japan. The complete machine is equipped with Fanuc Japan systems, from control systems, from servo motors and the spindle motors. It is with 18 kilowatt spindle, heavy duty spindle, especially for oil and gas industries. Here we have shown a live demo of Keensaw machine. Keensaw is actually a bandsaw machine with a semi-automatic solutions where you can have a complete automatic process of a cutting solution, which has got a 30-60 mm cutting capacity. And the complete components like round bars as well as the square components can be bandsaw technique can be used for this machine. And here we have shown Fanuc robot with handling application. We are authorized partners with Fanuc. We can do Fanuc retrofits, Fanuc system integration, as well as Fanuc robotic solution for all applications like welding, cutting, as well as the machine tending and everything applications. Next, if you see, we have shown automatic tool management system from SmartBee. This is a kind of a system where it is used for company who has got complete tools. Tool is a management asset for any company, and this tools has been monitored, and we can withdraw it. We can take it back after the usage. So complete automatic solution for tool management solutions. Here we have shown Fagger systems. Fagger is from Spanish controller systems. We are retrofitting Fagger systems with the old systems also. With the existing support, we provide complete service support for Fagger solutions locally in UAE as well as the complete Middle East market. Also here we have displayed complete spare part solutions for the machine tool requirement. You have requirement for DRO scales, drives, motors, spindle encoders, telescopic covers, lubricant systems. Everything is available as spare parts to supply to the customers in UAE and also complete Middle East. We also provide complete after-sales service support, AMC solutions for our customers with the retrofitting and reconditioning solutions for our customers in UAE as well as the entire part of the Middle East countries.